Banna ke fumane tsela mare. High easy mare, easy mare, high easy. If Manu, that is the only way. Hahona any other way. That is the only way. Hey, kinao, kibata fela rate. Have katelle nsendele yona ka WhatsApp. Nsendele yona ka WhatsApp. Get a hotspot. Uno is 2.3. In fact, it's a pause. Right. Uno is 12 contractors can build an RDP house in 7 days. How many contractors working at the same rate will be needed to build the house in 4 days. Right. This question, because we cannot find exactly in 1 day how many contractors there can be, and that's impossible because the contractors, they must be 12 there. So there's no way 1 day you can 4 or 3 or something. So what we need to do, we need to do the following. We need to take the number of contractors, which is 12, and we need to multiply that by the number of days, which is 7. And then we need to divide that by the number of days, which is 4. And then that will give us how many contractors are therefore needed to complete the same work using at the same rate for 4 days. So what we need to do here, we take that 12, we multiply that by 7, and then we divide that by the number of days that are needed. And then that will provide us with the number of contractors. I guess even now how it's a monana yo fabukai. Our 12 by 7.
Calculator
Mama o get calculator, calculator that.
Tell me who's there right now.
Ndithi ewe. Ndati calculate ikhona. 21. Therefore, we will need 21 contractors for 4 days. Simple. Hatle ke se ka tswella pele ka yona calculator question paper hatle re yo mock test eno hle ke khopele ma hatle re yo yona ntate hle re sebetsane le yo clara hatle re yo clara paper 1 hatle re yo yona clara hle question ha re tlo etsa multiple choice re tla o etsa ka morao hatle re question 2 le go kala ga 1 pe kala ga 2
paper 2 cause paper 2 kinyeditse
GC
ke ene le ntwe ne jwa ke
Ke ntho ne tswa ke e ka re ke
le tlo kela ka paper 2.
eh
Ha re etse. Question 2. Unikwe calculate with reasons. Calculate with reasons. Uh, 110 degrees, A plus 20, 2BC. This line is parallel to that line. This line is parallel to this line. You are to find ABCD. Find ABCD with reasons. This is AC, ED, GK, FB. And then we have the second one. You have an angle of 90, 130 degrees, O, but find XOD, XOY, with the reasons. All right, the question 2. Again, now I think we have dealt with this. I think we have dealt with this before. So let us just try to look at the first one. How will you find the angles A, B, C, D, Mo? What do you want to find A, B, C, D? Find A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. Mo in this diagram. Rabona or the inside angle, because these two lines are parallel, these angles are corresponding. The inside angle is equal to the opposite outside angle because this line is parallel to that line. That is one most important thing. So come on, Tama, A plus 20 degrees equals 110 degrees. They are corresponding angles. Why? Because AC is parallel to ED. Very important. Come on, angle A equals 90 degrees. Again? Because from 110 minus K, yeah, you find 90. A again? Now, how will we find B, C, and D? I can say na angle D equals 110 degrees. They are vertically opposite. And then from there, kiabona angle na ile kana liye. Angle angle. Why? Because if this line is parallel to this line, this angle equals that angle. By just looking at that, the outside angle equals the opposite inside angle. So sekere fela mo A plus 20 equals 2B. They are corresponding angles. AC parallel to ED. ke na le A ke 90, 90 plus 20 ke 110. Ke bokae? 155. Na ke yo
50.
110 divided by 2.
Oh, ke ntse 54. Ke yona 54.
Right. And then ke a bona hore angle ya mo le angle ya mo di etsa straight line. So I can say that 2B plus C equals 180 degrees. So they are straight line angles. 2 into 55 plus C equals 180. 110 plus C equals 180. C equals 180 minus 110, which is 70 degrees. Can you find A, B, C, D? That was a very simple figure. Very, very simple figure that requires just you know and you understand if lines are parallel. You must be able to know that angles are corresponding. Very, very important. The inside angle equals the opposite outside angle because this line is parallel to this. This is also equals to that because this is parallel to that. Can you see this? This line is parallel to this line. Therefore, this angle equals that angle. Just require the skill of being able to see that. And then when we are done, let's go to 2.2. Find in triangle. X, Y, Z. But what about y? X, O, Y. What about angle A? Again, angle O in that triangle. X, O, Y. What about angle O? How do I find that angle O? But the angle is 360 because they are revolution angles, angles around a point. So I can say angle XOY equals 360 minus 90 minus 130. Again. And then you get 360 minus 90 be 270, 270 minus 130. 2 minus 1 is 1, 7 minus 3 is 4, you for 140 degrees. Again?
140 degrees.
Right. K angle O. XOY angle O K 140. Angles around the point add up to 360. It's a bit of sharp. And then from there, Hana ko re dumella. 10 minutes. 10 minutes e nyane haholo. Banna le lo nketsetsa question 3 kaofela le question 4 le question 5 as your homework. Question 3, 4 and 5 le lo nketsetsa yona